Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And आज हम लोग सीखेंगे how to reverse the array. This is quite easy sum, so let's start the code directly. There are multiple ways to reverse an array. Let's first create our function. We will initialize our array. जैसे हमारे आ गए आयरन मैन, बाद में और कैप्टन, हल्क, हॉकाई and Vido. Okay, so now we have to reverse this list. So we'll print reverse array and we'll pass our parameter, that is Avengers. There are multiple ways to reverse the array. The easiest one is directly written Avengers of 2 minus 1, that is by slicing. And here you can see that we have reversed our array in the output. But this method is not actually useful in interview, because in interview will not ask you to use any type of inbuilt function or any array slicing method. So is there any other way to solve this problem? We'll work on that. Let's say we have this array Iron Man, Thor, Captain, Hulk, Hawkeye and Widow, which is our input. Now to reverse this, let's focus on the indexes. Iron Man has index 0 and Widow has index 5. Now we'll initialize our first index with yellow color and we'll initialize our last index with green color. This will help you to visualize. Now we have our first index and last index. We have Iron Man at our first index and Widow at our last index. We will swap these places. So at 0th index we will get Widow, and on the 5th index we will get Iron Man. Now in the second iteration we'll increment our left index. Previously left index was 0, so now it will be 1. So now our left index is 1 and we'll decrement our right index. Previously it was 5 and now it is 4. Again we'll have to swap the places. That is, at the index 1 we will have Hawkeye and at index 4 we will have Thor. Again in the third iteration we will increment our left index. Previously it was 1, now it will be 2, and we'll decrement our right index. Previously it was 4, now it will be 3. So at second index we have Captain now, and at third index we have Hulk. We will have to again swap them. So at second index we will now have Hulk, and at third index we will have Captain. So if you observe, at the 0th index we have Widow, first index we have Hawkeye, second index Hulk, then Captain, Thor, and on the last index we have Iron Man. Now we will try to code this logic. So let's go to Visual Studio. So in this given example we have input as Avengers and list of all the Avengers, and we are printing a reverse array function. So how will we do that? First we'll have to initialize our left index and right index. This is left index equals to 0 and right index is length of Avengers minus 1. Now we'll use simple while loop. So while left index is smaller than right index, Avengers of left index comma Avengers of right index equals to. So basically in this step we are swapping. Now we'll have to increment our left index by 1 and decrement our right index by 1. And now we will just return our list of Avengers. Let's run this code. Okay, basic spelling mistake. Our code is complete. Let's test our code. So as you can see, our output is Widow, Hawkeye, Hulk, Captain, Thor, Iron Man. That is, we have successfully reversed our list. So if we talk about the time complexity of the code, we are running only one while loop in our code. So it will be, in the worst case, it will be big O of n. And if we talk about the space complexity, here we are not using any extra space. We are just swapping the existing elements in the array. So our space complexity will be big O of 1. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section.